My name is Stefan Eberle. I'm working for Itemis France in Paris. And Itemis is a big Eclipse company, a German company, with subsidiaries in France, where I'm working, and in Switzerland. And we are running several Eclipse projects, like Xtext. And we have also a project which is dedicated to the automotive domain in which we are participating. This is the Autop platform, which is a tool platform for more easily building Autosar design tools. This platform is based on the Sphinx project. Sphinx project is the generic base layer of Autop, which has been made available as an Eclipse project, so that it can be used from Autop, and in other industries there are also modeling intensive tool environments are required. And we as Itemis, we offer the work in the open source projects and services around the open source projects. That means we help customers to adopt these technologies and to use them in their own projects. Apart from that, we are also starting to develop a product strategy so that we can reuse more easily things that we do continuously for customers, so that we offer these solutions more and more also as commercial products on the markets. We are now observing what's happening in Polarsys and considering to participate in this activity. Today the choice is not yet done, so we will wait a little bit until this group has more advanced before we'll actually move in and become a formal partner of it. We are now looking what kind of organization will be put in place. There are the first initial ideas of what elements will be present in Opees or in Polarsys, like build infrastructure, long-term support, and qualification. But we want to wait until that becomes more concrete to see actually what are the implications and the benefit of participating in this group. Well, one part of Opees or Polarsys is to provide a sustainable service around open source projects, because right now we have the open source project and we have the usual open source communication channels. If somebody needs help, you can ask questions on the forum or open bugs on Bugzilla. But then it depends if committers have time to look after him or not. And if they don't have time, then many questions remain unreplied. And a part of our strategy is also to offer on a commercial basis professional services for our open source project, mainly EMF, Xtext and Autop. And their customers can subscribe a support contract with us and then have the guarantee to get help within a predefined amount of time. And this is also the strategy of Polarsys to allocate companies around the projects which are able to offer such kind of services. And given that, you can see that the strategy of which we have adopted by our own matches perfectly well the way into which Polarsys is heading, and therefore it's very interesting for us to see which details will boil out of it, and then see if we can collaborate with that group.